In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut, copy, and paste images in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end, you'll know how to select an image, copy it to your clipboard, and paste it into the same PDF, a different PDF, or even another document, all using Acrobat Pro DC's built-in tools. First, open Acrobat Pro DC and load the PDF that contains the image you want to work with. Once it's open, switch to editing mode by going to Tools, then choosing Edit PDF. This mode tells Acrobat that you want to work with the objects on the page, not just read the file. Move your cursor over the image you want. When Acrobat recognizes it as an image object, you'll see a highlight or bounding box appear as you hover. Click once to select it. If it's selectable, handles will appear around the edges, confirming that Acrobat sees it as an image object rather than part of the page background. With the image selected, copy it to your clipboard. You can right-click and choose Copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac OS. The image is now stored on your clipboard and ready to paste wherever you need it. This works across PDFs and, in many cases, into other applications as well. To paste the image into another PDF, open that destination file in Acrobat Pro DC. Again, go to Tools and choose Edit PDF so the page is ready for edits. Right-click where you want the image to appear and select Paste. The image will drop onto the page, and you'll see a bounding box around it. Click and drag to move it. To resize, drag a corner handle. Corners help you keep the proportions looking right. If you need precise placement, zoom in and use small mouse movements or the arrow keys to nudge the image into place. If you want to move an image rather than copy it, use Cut. Select the image, right-click, and choose Cut. This removes it from the original spot and places it on your clipboard. Then paste it where you want, either in the same PDF or in a different one, using the same paste action inside Edit PDF mode. If an image won't select, it might be flattened into the page or embedded in a way that isn't recognized as a separate object. In that case, try hovering around the edges or zooming in for a more precise click. Once you get that selection, the copy, cut, and paste process is exactly the same.